and welcome to this next tutorial about generating and developing ideas in 3D. Now, technically speaking, we are now moving from section C into section D, but there's no reason you couldn't still get marks for generating ideas, just if you're doing them in a different way. So if I show you the mark scheme and I pick out some of the language here, you want imaginative, creative and innovative ideas, avoiding design fixation, considering function aesthetics and innovation, take full ongoing account of investigation, extensive experimentation using a wide range of techniques and different design strategies. Well, I want you to focus on these words: extensive experimentation and a wide range of techniques. That's in section C. If I look at the mark scheme for section D, also worth 20 marks. Let me pick out some of the language here. Then you're going to show a wide range of 2D/3D models, including CAD, and excellent modeling. So these are the marks we want to hit, obviously. So what does this language mean in plain English? For top marks, you need to generate and iterate on your ideas using a variety of methods, especially 3D models. So imagine, for example, it was a kitchen counter product you're designing, and you've done a bunch of sketches. Now, generate those ideas in 3D. Iterate, improve, just show how you've improved. Later, you'll create more refined models. So it's about adapting and improving what you've done, coming up with more ideas if possible. Here's an example. Pause this if you need to take it in, but notice you've got an introduction explaining the purpose of this page and the methods chosen, a bit of justification. You don't need to write loads, but that helps. Then there's clear evidence of experimenting in 3D, nice big clear images, and they're clearly inspired from the actual sketches, but there are improvements there. That's important. There's client input. You should engage your client, get their thoughts as soon as you can, and then write a conclusion about what the next steps would be. Okay, so what do you need to do? You need to write an introduction explaining the purpose of modeling and the methods you've chosen. Model your preferred ideas in card, work in card and paper because they're quick and easy to work with. Then show it to your client for feedback before you do a basic evaluation on the criteria that you've set in your specification. Some do's: base your modelling on the work of others and your sketches that you've done up to now. Start in simple materials like paper and card, that way you can work quickly. Be playful, try to be innovative and experiment. Take risks, please do take risks, there are marks for that. Work quickly so that you've got multiple ideas done in a short time, and get client input. Some don'ts: don't just fixate on one idea. That's exactly the same as a sketch. You need to show improvements, and don't produce models of poor quality. They've got to be good. So please pause, rewatch this if you need to, and make sure you really take risks here and generate ideas in 3D. Best of luck.